What's up guys, everything in one back here with another video. So it's time to check out the new and beautiful Honor 30 Pro Plus. This is the most premium version of the Honor 30 series and it packs some really amazing features. The design of the phone is really great. You are getting a reflective matte finish over the back which has a remarkable texture. The phone's sleek and slim shape is making it really grippy. Just look at that huge Honor branding here that also has a reflective kind of finish. There's a metallic frame here which is making the phone more premium. What you think about the design, let us know in comments below. The company not only focuses on the design but specs of this phone are just amazing. You're getting high silicon Kirin 990 chipset here which is almost equal or even more powerful than the Snapdragon 865. Here are the benchmark scores and the results are really impressive. It is quite lightweight and slim, and I really like the design of this phone. The camera setup looks really attractive in a rectangular alignment. The monstrous rear camera setup here includes 4 cameras. The main is a 50 megapixel IMX700 sensor, same as on the P40 Pro. There's also a 8 megapixel telephoto sensor with 50 times digital zoom, 10 times hybrid zoom and 5 times optical zoom. And the last one is a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. The phone can shoot really amazing shots and we can show you some of these, but don't forget to provide your opinions. The phone can also shoot 4K videos including option for 60 FPS. The Honor 30 Pro Plus comes with a 6.57-inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The display is curved and it looks really beautiful. There's an in-display fingerprint scanner too. The punch hole comes with a 32 megapixel plus 5 megapixel sensor for selfies. In terms of battery, the phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery with support for 40 watt wired and 27 watt wireless charging. In addition, it also has UFS 3.0 storage, which makes it more faster. So you are getting quite good features here: a Kirin 990 processor with latest Mali G77 GPU, UFS 3.0 storage, option for up to 12GB of RAM, and a beautiful design. The phone is a much better option or an alternative to the new OnePlus 8 Pro. Am I right? Let me know in comments below. You can check the RAM and storage options for pricing in description area. That's all for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe the channel and as always keep watching and keep smiling.